In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize team tasks with Wrike. We'll walk through a simple workflow you can use every day with your team: choosing the right space, opening the project you care about, switching to a board view, and then organizing tasks by moving them to the right place. By the end, you'll have a clear visual way to stay on top of what everyone is working on. First, start inside Wrike and look at the left-hand side of your workspace. You'll see different spaces which are essentially high-level containers for your work. These might be organized by department, client, or initiative. Take a moment to choose the space that actually holds the project you want to organize. Clicking into the correct space is important because everything you'll see next is filtered by that choice. Once you've selected it, Wrike will show you all the folders and projects that belong to that space. Next, within that space, find and click on the specific project you want to work on. This project is where all the related tasks live. When you open it, you'll typically see one of Wrike's standard views like a table or list. Think of the project as the container for a particular goal or deliverable, and the tasks inside it as the building blocks that get you there. Make sure you've opened the right project, especially if several have similar names, so you don't accidentally move the wrong set of tasks. Now, at the top of the project, look for the view options. Wrike allows you to switch between different views, but for organizing tasks, the board view is usually the easiest. Go ahead and click on the board view option. This will transform your project into a series of columns, often based on workflow stages like to do, in progress, and completed. A board view is great because it gives you an immediate visual snapshot of where everything stands. Once your project is in board view, you're ready to organize. Each card you see represents a task. To update its status, simply click and drag a task from one column to another. For example, if a teammate has started working on a task, you can move it from to do into in progress. When something is finished, drag it into your completed or done column. This drag and drop action is how you keep your team's workflow accurate and up to date. As you move tasks around, encourage your team to do the same regularly. That way, your board becomes a reliable, real-time picture of your project's progress and helps everyone stay aligned on priorities and next steps.